Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video, we will talk about how to set file permissions in Dropbox. So for this, I'm here in Dropbox. So this is the main dashboard. This is the file of which I want to set permission. So for this, click on three dots in front of the file. As you click, there we have manage permissions. Click on it. Now here, if you want to add a person, simply add their email address here. So I will add my another email address here and press enter. So their email address will be added like this, and now click on share. If you want to add a message, you can write it here and then click on share, so it will share to that person. Now again, if we see that the person is added or not, so click on three dots again and go to manage permissions. So there, as you can see, the person is added as they can only view the file. So if you want to remove it, then click on remove, so the person will be removed. This is how you can set permissions on Dropbox. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.